Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert image PSD to JPG in Adobe Photoshop. So get let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now, firstly in this video, then I show Photoshop document. Now going to the file menu option. Then open from the PSD file. Now click on the PSD file. Now for open in the Photoshop. This show the PSD file in the form open. This PSD file is the shape from the convert JPG. Now going to the file menu option. Then click on the save as option. Now click for format option. Then click on the JPG. Then save from the any file, then click for the save option. Now click for OK. That is. Now we show the page JPG file. Now for open. That is. Then I show convert image PSD to JPG is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.